You're prepping a new primed part for painting. Ask a colleague to help you to hang the part in a professional painting stand. Make sure the door hooks into place and then tighten the mounting points of the stand. Once the door is secure, push it into the prep area. Next, clean the part. Put on your protective equipment and off you go. Prepare the pump bottle with detergent. Spray the inside of the door. Then dry using a lint-free cloth. Do the same on the outside. Remember to use a new cloth. Once the door is clean, check it for any dents or damage. If everything's okay, then it's time for sanding. For this, you need a protective mask. First, sand the visible areas on the inside of the door with a soft or flat pad. The cathode dip primer coat is not a transport primer. It's additional corrosion protection. Therefore, do not sand through the coat. Using new pads, sand the corners and edges of the outside by hand. Always work from the top to the bottom. To prolong the life of the pads, regularly clean the abrasive side of the foam side with a second pad. Sand the large areas on the outside with an orbital sander. Don't sand the edges. Suitable abrasives can be found on the website on screen under Paint Technology. Use a 3mm orbital sander and don't forget to renew the sanding disc. When sanding the larger surfaces, again work from top to bottom. Once you've reached the bottom, replace the sanding disc for a fleece. By doing this, you remove the sanding dust from the surface. Then, using a compressed air gun, blow both sides of the door thoroughly. To remove absolutely all of the remaining dust, clean both sides again with detergent and a lint-free cloth. Now the part is ready for filling.